Hello, this is Beyond, and in this video we are going to speak about how to get more effective Forex trades and how to get a bigger or higher profit margin from your Forex trades. Now, let me introduce you to a concept that we call strategic risk in the market. And the easiest way for me to demonstrate what this is take, for example, a soccer. You are right in front of a soccer goal, or football as it's called internationally. You are right in front of the goal, and you place the ball right in front of the goal, maybe 5 feet from the goal. And I say to you, there's nobody in the goal, and I say to you, kick the ball in that goal. Down to my 2-year-old son would be able to kick that ball into the goal. Yes, he's swinging his foot right now, and he would be able to kick that ball in the goal. Now, let's say I send you all the way to the halfway line and tell you to kick the ball in the goal. But at this time, I'm going to put not only one goalkeeper, but 5 defenders in front of the ball, and I ask you to score that goal. Obviously, that scenario is much more difficult to score a goal. And that is what I see a lot of folks doing with their trading. There are certain trades out there that are layups, that are very easy trades, and there are certain trades out there that are uncertain, they are much higher risk, and they are almost like guessing. And that's why I implore traders to use what we call strategic risk in your trading. If you want a detailed breakdown of how to employ this system, you can go to daleforex.com. That's daleforex.com. Now, with the system, what we do is that we focus on the trades that are layups, that are the easy trades, that are right in front of the goal, that anyone can just pass the ball in. And if you focus on those type of trades, what you will find is that you can risk a little more than you normally would, because those are higher probability trades. And that's what I mean by strategic risk. If you focus on taking strategic risk in the Forex market, you will find that your trading accuracy increases and you are able to make more money, because you are focusing on the trades that are no-brainer type of trades. So if you want to see how this is laid out in a step-by-step system, you can go to daleforex.com. And using strategic risk and focusing on the trades that are more likely to work out in your favor, you will find that you are able to grow your account much more aggressively, and it is less stress-free. It's a less stress-free environment when you are trading the market. So that is what that's what we need to understand, and we need to focus on that. Not every trade that's out there you need to take that trade. So not every chance in let's just continue with the football or the soccer analogy. Not every chance that comes you will take a shot. We simply focus on the tap-ins, and we leave the other type of trades to someone else. And what are these tap-in type of trades? For example, there are trades that you see hit resistance once, you see it hit resistance twice, and the market is coming up to the resistance point again, and that resistance point matches up with a pivot point. For those of you who are familiar with pivot point, it matches up with a trend line. It matches up with a old high. So when you see all these various pieces of evidence on one trade, that makes that trade much more likely to succeed, as opposed to, for example, a trade that's in a triangle. And by focusing on these type of trades amongst the different currency pairs, and really keeping your focus, laser focus on a specific type of trade, specializing, you are able to make higher gains in the markets. And this method will work for Forex, it will work for stocks, it works for futures. So if you want to see how this system can be employed, the type of trades that I'm speaking about, how much to risk, how to calculate your strategic risk, you can go to daleforex.com. That's daleforex.com to see it all laid out. The presentation is about 45 minutes. You'll see how it's all laid out for you. And by taking strategic risks, you are able to grow your account in a more consistent method. Thank you for listening, and head on over to daleforex.com.